another day in Galway. Just today weather is little worse, it's very cloudy, but it's still nice and warm, around 20 degrees. Because now it's 2 o'clock, I'm going to see one more time the Galway Cathedral, because last time I was just like for 5 minutes, I just walk around very fast, but I want to enjoy the building, architecture, and see all the places there. Cathedral looks beautiful inside. This church, this cathedral, however, only 50 years, was built in 1965, and before here was Galway gold. They just decided to exchange gold to the cathedral, and this building was already fully restored because of the condition. What is quite funny, because mostly buildings, churches have like thousands years and nobody restored nothing, and this building was restored after 50 years. That's quite interesting, but the building inside looks very good and I'm impressed. I spent really good hour inside to walk around and catch the energy. I really like it. Is that not the most cute shop with the ships? And this one inside are super cute. Unfortunately it's closed and I cannot go inside, but maybe next time. Now short visit on the Galway food market beside the church in city center. On the food market, on the market street in Galway, I got some pita with falafel, beetroot and spinach falafel. I don't know what was that, but it was absolutely delicious. If you are in Galway on Sunday and you have a food market, I highly recommend the falafel, not falafel shop, the place with the falafel. It's absolutely divine. Weather getting better right now. It's no more rain, it's still windy, but really nice. I'm enjoying view close to the Spanish Arch. It's very recognizable place in Galway. Is the line of the colorful houses very close to the entrance to Marina, and I love this place. It's lots of space to sitting and enjoying beautiful water and the Burren Mountain over there. And also last time I showed you aquarium, and aquarium it's somewhere there. Lovely. I'm enjoying Galway every time more and more, and I wish to move to Galway in the future. Maybe in 2-3 months time will be great. I love discover this area more, and Galway is my favorite. It's my number one for sure for the moment. I'm in a shop Veversov Island right now, and I bought another 2 ships for my collection, for my jackets. How you know I have many different colors to many jackets, but actually I want the yellow one for my yellow North Face, and I have this green one for jacket what I have right now from Rab. And it's cool that my collection is growing, and all with the good memories, but these 2 from Galway. Guys, that's the social distance in Galway. Look. Another beautiful day in Galway is finished now, and the weather getting really good now, but it's too late. I don't want to stay anymore. I'm quite tired. Time to go home, time to go to bed. Just enjoying and relaxing the rest of my day. Thank you very much for spending time with me and spending day in Galway. Have a great day. Thank you.